Yo, what's up YouTube? Doing a review on a solar panel. It's Kosta or Kosta, however you want to pronounce it, K200-12. Upon opening it, it was packed very well. The frame is very sturdy. Everything's straight. Nothing's crooked. It has a really nice seal inside here. You can take a look at that. The seal is very decent. It's got your mounting tabs, drain holes for the water, and then a spot for your ground. But I'm new to solar, but from just looking at it, I mean, I was a little skeptical at first because a 200 watt panel for $150 for $150 just sounded like a really good, too good to be true almost. But the glass is decent. The cells are, very nice. The cells, I mean, everything looks really good. But I have not hooked it up yet. I bought this for my enclosed trailer, so we'll have to take a look, and I'll do a longer review of this panel once it's hooked up, powered up, and everything. But yeah, it's not bad for the price. It's definitely not bad. So I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know the amps, watts, volts, whatever. But yeah, everything's pretty decent, man. I mean, looks to be good quality, not bad. But yeah, so it's not bad. All right, I'll keep you posted.